Welcome to the future of home security. Imagine a world where you never have to worry about misplaced keys or fumbling with locks. With the Savvylife-M1 Smart Lock, you get a level of security and convenience that's light years ahead of traditional locking systems. Let's talk about ease and speed. With the Savvylife-M1, unlocking your door is incredibly fast and hassle-free. Thanks to a cutting-edge combination of fingerprint identification and an innovative handle design, opening your door has never been this seamless. All it takes is a simple turn of the handle with your thumb. The lock instantly reads your fingerprint and opens the door in one smooth action. No more fumbling with keys or remembering complicated codes. It's literally one simple step to gain access to your home. But that's just the beginning. The Savvylife-M1 isn't just a fingerprint lock, it's a smart lock that puts you in control from anywhere. Thanks to Bluetooth connectivity, you can lock or unlock your door with the touch of a button from your smartphone. Within Bluetooth range, simply open the Savvylife app to unlock the door, check its status, view guest logs, and even share access with family, friends, or guests. Need to let someone in while you're at work? No problem. You can grant access anytime, anywhere. And that's not all. For remote control from anywhere, simply add a gateway, and you can monitor and control your lock from miles away. Whether you're at the office, on vacation, or just relaxing on the couch, you'll always have access to your home security. Need more flexibility? The Savvylife-M1 gives you not one, not two, but 5 different unlocking methods, designed to fit your lifestyle and preferences. Whether you prefer the ultra-secure fingerprint scan, a personalized keypad code, or even a traditional physical key, this lock adapts to your needs. It's perfect for your front door, side entrance, or even your office door, wherever you need to ensure safety and convenience. When it comes to security, we don't cut corners. The Savvylife-M1 features a cylinder made from high-quality copper alloy, ensuring maximum corrosion resistance and long-lasting durability. This means your lock will withstand the test of time, no matter the weather or wear and tear. Plus, the advanced injection molding process ensures that no fingerprints are left behind, adding an extra layer of privacy and security. And don't worry about low battery notifications either. The Savvylife-M1 has a built-in voice alarm that lets you know when your battery is running low. If that happens, you don't have to panic. Simply use the spare key or, even better, charge the lock with a USB power bank to unlock your door in an emergency. Worried about installation? Don't be. The Savvylife-M1 is incredibly easy to install. No drilling, no hassle. You can set it up in just 15 minutes, and it works with left and right opening doors. We provide professional installation instructions and even an installation video, so you don't need to be a DIY expert to get this smart lock working. It's perfect for securing garage doors, side doors, office doors, basement doors, you name it. Now, imagine a world where you can control your door with just your voice. With full integration for Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, you can lock or unlock your door, check its status, or even get reminders simply by asking. Set up your smart lock once, and from that point on, all you have to do is ask. It's that easy and that smart. With the Savvylife-M1 Smart Lock, you get the perfect blend of advanced security features and unmatched convenience. Whether it's quick access with your fingerprint, remote control from your phone, or traditional unlocking methods, this lock adapts to your lifestyle. Let's quickly recap why the Savvylife-M1 Smart Lock is the ultimate choice for securing your home. Quick and secure access using cutting-edge fingerprint technology. 5 ways to unlock: fingerprint, keypad, key, passcode, and smartphone app. High-security copper alloy construction for durability and protection. Easy installation in just 15 minutes with no drilling required. voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant for added convenience, low battery alarm, and emergency charging features. Whether you're looking to secure your home or office, the Savvylife-M1 Smart Lock is the perfect solution. Smart, secure, and effortlessly convenient. Make your home smarter today